Hello dear student, in this video we are going to learn different types of monitors. What is a monitor? Monitor, it is used to display the output which is required to present for the user. So even the input will be given by this keyboard and the mouse, and then output has to be displayed, and for the display screen these are the different monitors will be used. So the monitor just like it is like looking like a TV screen, and that you will feel that you can see any kind of if you want to see your pictures, movies, if you want to execute your program, that output will be seen on your that screen. So right now which are the different types? So one is a cathode ray tube, liquid crystal display, LCD screen, and thin film transistor TFT. So right now we are using the TFT screens. So in old days CRT were very popular one. After that it is replaced with LCD, and now it is replaced with the TFT. So this is a view. You can see this right side picture, how exactly the CRT monitor looks. These are just like a old TVs, and the CRT monitor works on these cathode rays, and these are having a normally the black and white CRT monitor. So these CRT again divided into monochrome, so the single color, grayscale monitors, two colors, black and white, and the third one color monitor. So first one monochrome monitor. See this picture. This is an example of this monochrome monitor. Now here everything you will see as an output in the form of the black and the white. And so these monitors are very cheaper one. Now second monitor type, it is of the grayscale monitor. So here shade of the black and the whites are given. So different shades of the gray will be shown as in the output screen. So difference is that the monochrome monitor only display information in the form of the black and the white. But if you want to make the shade between the black and the whites, then it is possible with the help of this grayscale monitor. See this picture. This third type of CRT monitor, it is color monitors. Color monitor, that is using the concept of the RGB, that is a red, green, blue colors. So these colors picture as it is will be shown as an output screen. Here you can see. So these are the CRT of the color monitors. So it is used to display your pictures, graphics, and the animations. So it is costly than this monochrome monitor and grayscale monitor. Now next, after these cathode ray monitors, this is replaced with this new LCD monitors. So LCD technology, digital cameras, and even your TVs, digital TVs, also in a LCDs, and the third one, that is a LCD monitors. So these pictures you can see of different brands and how exactly it looks with this LCD. This liquid crystal display, again it is replaced with this TFT monitors. So TFT, it works on the transistor concept. So its long form is thin film transistors. So it is a very popular one, and it gives actually very sharp text, even the excellent color, and you can say in form the resolution it is the best than LCD monitor. So if you compare from the first one, that is about your CRT, then after that LCD, so its resolution get increased. Now what is a resolution? Resolution means how exactly your picture clearly you can see. It's the quality of the picture determined by the resolution. How many pixels are there in that particular screen will determine the resolution. So number of pixels, if it is larger, then the resolution of that particular picture, it is a good one, it is the best one. So these TFT monitors are best for the multimedia applications, animations, for watching movies. Now what is the structure of the TFT? It is present in a different structures, even within a different angles are there. So you can see these are the different angles and different views of this TFT. This is a flat one. This screen, if you see, it is an angular one. Now pixel, this information about the pixel. Pixel means just a dot. You can see a smallest element of this display monitor, and just you cannot divide it. So your monitor, even this screen right now I'm recording, so it is divided into the different pixels, different dots, and the different element that again cannot be divided. So as a number of elements, if it is a large one, then you can see the picture quality, that video quality, it is an excellent one. So if you have seen the Google Meet videos, then it is not that much good as a Zoom one. But Zoom is having a good quality. Again, suppose you are using another editor just like a Screencast-O-Matic. It is having a best quality, better quality than this Zoom and the Google Meet. Why? Because the number of pixels they for this screen are the larger, or the number is greater than used for the Zoom or the Google Meet. That's why it is giving a high quality. Now some characteristics, that what's the size of your monitor, then another characteristic resolution, just we have discussed, and whether it is supporting anti-glare screen or not. So size means your size of the monitor will be decided. These are the different size of the monitor. It is ranging from 14 inches to 22 inches. So that will be it depends on the user requirement, that you want to purchase small size or up to the large size. Now resolution, just we have discussed that the greater number of dots per inch in that particular screen will be having a best resolution. So here are the some basic resolution is a 640 into 480. This is a that resolution, basic one. But if you want to increase the resolution, suppose its scale is just like 1000 into 1000 like that, or 900, then that one number has been increased, so that will be having a greater resolution. So here it shows that 640 dots on a line and on that 480 lines. So your screen will be divided into 640 horizontal lines and 480 columns, and then your picture will be within that particular screen, and then these blocks will be determined, size will be determined with this length into width. So as we are increasing this number, then automatically your clarity will get increased. Which are the different settings are available? Now it depends on machine to machine. Brightness you can increase contrast, decrease contrast. The corrections you can do the corner corrections, even you can degases. Now the degases, this concept it is for the CRT monitors. CRT monitors reflects or give you the magnetic field, so you can reduce the magnetic field with the help of the degases setting. Vertical, horizontal size correction, then language you want to use, size of the text, that will be decided with this monitor settings. VGA cards, it is used to display this. Suppose you want to display any images, or if you want to use some graphics animations, then this VGA card is used. Now what is an anti-glare screen? Anti-glare screen, it is just that when you start your monitor, you are working with your computer, then it is reflecting some light, and this is very dangerous for us, so it strains our eyes. So better to use a TFT monitor which is having the capacity that it will not reflect the light, so it will absorb that light. So that's why we should use this anti-glare screen. You can get it from the market. If your monitor it is not having by default that anti-glare screen, so normally the currently TFT monitors having a built-in anti-glare screen. But if you are using the cathode ray CRT monitors, then we can get this glass. We should use this glass when we are using such type of monitors. So that is the use of anti-glare screen. It is used to absorb that light emitted by monitors. So these are the different monitors we have seen. So let's see some highlights. That is, monitor means it is an output device. Okay, which are the types? CRT, liquid crystal, LCD, and the TFT. CRT view like this one. CRT divided into three types again: monochrome, that is black and white. Grayscale means black and white, but the black and the white again having the grayscale shades, faint gray or the dark gray, like that the shades will be get created. And the color that you know that it works on the red, green and the blue technologies. And then we have seen these some characteristics of these monitors. So we have seen the monitor point. Now we will stop here and thank you.